Hey everyone, this is Joe with Southeastern Frontiers, and today we are hiking to the Lost Sink Falls in the Keel Mountain Nature Preserve. And today I'm hiking with Jonathan, Mason, and Mars. The Nature Conservancy's Keel Mountain Nature Preserve is a 310-acre property on the side of Keel Mountain near Huntsville, Paint Rock, and Gurley, Alabama. This preserve was created to protect the federally endangered Morefield's leatherflower, but is most well known for the Lost Sink, which is easily one of the best waterfalls in the area, made more remarkable in that it falls into a nice deep sinkhole. The Lost Sink Trail begins in a small graveled parking lot with room for about 10 cars, and at only 2 miles out and back to the falls with about 350 foot of elevation gain, it is a relatively easy hike that I have made a regular wintertime pilgrimage out of. You definitely need to check it out. All right, we are at the Keel Mountain Preserve, part of the Nature Conservancy, and we are heading out. I have hiked this trail many times. It's sort of my traditional January hike normally, but here it is March. Hadn't gotten to it since I planned to in January. We had some bad weather back then, and I just haven't been able to get back to it. So here I am, March. The forest is still clear. Leaves haven't popped out yet, but they will soon. Did notice a very tiny violet bloom. Look at that. Very cool. Uh-oh, someone lost their strap. That's a beautiful little violet there. Coming up on a sinkhole here. I always have to stop in and take a look. Yep.
Oh no.
We have come to the end of the long flat stretch, and now we start to go uphill. Got a good uphill climb ahead of us yet. Such pretty violets today. I wasn't expecting them already here in early March. Are you hanging in there? I think you're doing fine, aren't you? Ready to go. We're getting close now. I can hear it. There it is. The Lost Sink Falls. All right, we're gonna head back down. It's a nice visit to the sink. Heading back as soon as Mars gets a treat. There are beautiful views down through the trees, filtered views out to the valley out there, and beyond Montesano to the north and Green Mountain to the south. Very pretty. Probably hard to see in the camera. We missed this sinkhole on the way up. This one's not as deep, at least, you know, it's full of leaves. The water runs into it for sure. We are back on the long flat stretch. That's good.
Sit, boy. Sit. Good job, buddy. Good boy. Sit. Stay.
All right, we are dropping out of the cedars and the forest is opening up and you can see pretty good again. We are almost back to the parking lot. I can see the cars through the trees there. Thanks for coming along with us today. It was a really nice day. The waterfall was running nice. It's always good to go to the Lost Sink Falls. I'll catch you next time.